Welcome back, friends, to another episode of Storytime with me, your host, Patrick King. Today we're going to be reading about an elephant and a pig, two unlikely friends discussing the bird on someone's head. Let's begin. There's a bird on your head. Flapping noises. Piggy! Is something on my head? Yeah. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head? Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds? How do you know they are lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? One, a two, a three. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Chip, 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 chip. They've hatched. It's beautiful. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head? And 2 birds in a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds in a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them. Ask them. Okay, I will try asking. Excuse me, birds. Will you please go somewhere else? No problem, man. No problem. Not problem. No problem. No problem. I'm from Moscow. No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds in my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. You're welcome. That one was funny. I enjoyed that one. That was good. I like that. Friends, double check your head. Make sure you don't have a nest on top of it. If you do, get it checked out. Have a wonderful day.